Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bitbucket pipelines login issues, workspace and token errors step by step clearly. To resolve Bitbucket pipelines login issues, start by verifying your workspace settings. Access your Bitbucket account and navigate to the workspace associated with your repository. Check the workspace permissions to ensure you have the necessary access rights. Next, confirm that the repository exists within the specified workspace. If the repository is not found, you may need to create a new one or correct the workspace association. Once you've confirmed the workspace and repository, move on to your authentication tokens. Navigate to the Personal Settings section of your Bitbucket account. Locate the App Passwords option to check for any existing tokens. If no tokens are present, create a new app password by following the prompted guidelines. Ensure you select the appropriate permissions for your pipelines, such as read and write access. After generating the token, copy it and store it securely. Return to your pipeline configuration file, typically named bitbucketpipelines.yml. Update the authentication section to include your newly created app password. Make sure to save your changes and push them to the repository. Next, run the pipeline to see if the login issue persists. If errors continue, double-check for any typos in the token or workspace name in your configuration file. If you've confirmed everything is correct, consider resetting your app password and repeating the process. To troubleshoot further, consult the Bitbucket status page for any ongoing service disruptions. Review Bitbucket's documentation and community forums for additional guidance on troubleshooting login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Bitbucket pipelines login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step